guys, Shelly here with We Can Make That. I wanted to show you the trees that I made. So these SVGs are available in the shop. This one comes with 2 layers. And then this one is the same tree. I just cut it out on 2 different colors. Let me see if I can show you and then I just glued it to the dowel, offset a little bit. So it's the same size tree. And then the base, I used just the wooden dowels from Hobby Lobby. And this is the stands. And then depending on what size tree you're going to cut, it will tell you what size hole it is. So then you can grab the right size dowel that will fit in there. So these are really cute on a mantle. Just really added to indie decor. They'd be really cute on tables because you can do them. You could add a bow to the other side and then have it 2-sided. I used the glitter felt, so that one you probably would want to use just plain felt or add some glitter to the other side if you're going to do them 2-sided. And then I just added ribbon onto the dowels or onto the spools. You might even have some spools from thread. And then I cut mine on the maker and I used the rotary blade on them. But I thought they turned out really cute. The next thing I'm going to try is burlap trees. And they will be good all winter long. And then I can just add some fun, maybe greenery, winter greenery or stuff around the bottom. And I'm going to put them on my mantle. The SVG is available in the shop, so I will post the link under this video.